Hello you beautiful people, Creative Kina is back with another tutorial and this time it's something interesting. Let's get started with it. Today I'll be making a mobile cover out of the covers available at home, and trust me, we are going to revamp this cover. Now this is Liquitex Gesso I'm using on top of the mobile cover to prepare it as a base. You can always go ahead and give it a coat of Fevicol or color, an acrylic paint, or maybe a texturizer, anything that is available. Here I'm just using gesso paint, which we usually use for prepping up the canvases. So I'm using this gesso with the help of a sponge. Make sure to cover the edges too. The sides are very important because when you are coating the top of the cover, it's equally important to prep the edges also. Now this is a very soft silicone cover, so I'm using a box underneath to give it a proper base so that I can easily dab the sponge on the cover. Now I'm using a yellow acrylic paint to give it a base coat. Again, using the same sponge, I'll quickly dab the color on top of the prepped cover. With the color also, make sure you cover all the edges. This color will help you enhance the color of the napkin that we will be using. So now let it dry completely. Till it is drying, let's prepare the mix of glue and water. Here I am using 1 part of Fevicol with 1 part of water. Mix it thoroughly using a flat brush. Now you can always check the consistency of the glue. We do not want it to be runny. We want it to be a smooth paste. So when you mix the glue, always check that it doesn't have a runny texture. It should be a little slimy one. Here it is very runny, so I'm going to add more Fevicol to it. Now mix it again. Now you can see the consistency. It is a little slimier one and doesn't drip easily. So the glue is ready. Now we are preparing the tissue paper or the paper napkin that we are using. Now here I bought this tissue paper and I really loved the sunflowers. They look so fresh. So we will use a layout wherever, like you can use it as per your desire. You can always make sure, like if you want the 4 sunflowers in the center, you can place your mobile cover there. I like to have some smaller sunflowers too at the edges. So I'll be using an edge of the new napkin. So now you can see if your mobile cover is dried out completely. Detach it from the box we had attached it to earlier. Now using a pencil, we will draw a layout of the cover on this tissue paper. Now make sure to keep some distance outside the outline because we need to cover the edges of the mobile cover too. So let's cut it quickly. Now before pasting the paper, again make sure that your cover is on a smoother surface and stick it to a box, or you can use your mobile phone as the base too. Now we will detach the two layers of this paper napkin. We are not using the white part, it's just the colored one. Let's put it back on the surface of the box. I'm using a tape underneath to keep it intact. Now, using the same glue mix which we made earlier, we will apply the glue mix on the cover using the same sponge we used in coloring it. Apply a good layer of this mix on the cover and again cover the edges too. Now, when you want to stick the paper, make sure it is very smooth and always do it in parts. Never stick the entire tissue or the paper napkin straight away on it. I will start at the beginning of the cover, at the top. Place it properly and just press it gently with your fingers. See, I'm not sticking the entire napkin, I'm doing it in parts. So once you see it's plain, just press it lightly with your fingers so that there are no wrinkles in the tissue paper. Again, make sure you stick the paper on the edges of the cover too. Always try to smoothen some wrinkles if they are present there, and with the help of another sponge piece, just press it lightly. You have to be very careful with the tissue paper. In case it gets wet, it will tear off from the place. So make sure you give a very gentle dab with the sponge. Again, don't forget the edges. Now apply some glue on the edges to stick the paper more properly. Now I've removed it from the box I had stuck it on because I wanted a cleaner finish on the edges. So I'm applying some glue once again and sticking the remaining napkin. Now do it with the other edges too. Just make sure your corners are smooth too. So I'm just giving a small cut at the end of the paper at every corner, and now I will stick it with the same glue mix to give it a more neat finish. Make sure the edges are smooth enough at the corners. This will give your cover a very smooth finish. Now here I am using a wet brush to clear off the extra paper. Just wet the edges with the brush dipped in water, and just using your fingers, just gently tear the paper. So now let's cut the center part also for the camera. Now that's a very tricky part, I must tell you. Just make a small slit at the center. Now make smaller cuts so that we can evenly place it on the cover. Now just fold it a little inside to give it the shape. Now again press it with the help of sponge mixed in the glue mix. We will just dab it here so that they stick inside, the paper sticks inside the cover. Make sure to do the same process with the smaller holes on the cover for charger and your audio plugins. Now to remove the extra paper, I am just dipping my finger in water and just trying to rub it to remove the extra paper around the camera hole. Now once you're done with this, make sure all the holes are clean. Now using the sponge, just clean the extra mess inside the cover. Now let's give it another coat of the same mix. It will seal the paper in place. Make sure to be very gentle when dabbing it with the sponge. Now let your cover dry completely before applying this varnish. It's a gloss varnish I'm using. This will make the entire cover water resistant and also give it a beautiful shine. So now using the same flat brush, apply the varnish and be very gentle with your brush strokes. Let your varnish dry out completely And your beautiful mobile cover is ready. Go ahead and use some different paper napkins. Go ahead and do this deco page art. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you liked the video and don't forget to give it a thumbs up.